Okay, we're going to have a good time today. We're going to start out in the house. I have a fire going out there. We're going to cook some yummy lentil soup. But for the side, we're going to do some, let me grab the box. This is just Trader Joe's pumpkin bread and muffin mix. So we're going to cook this in the cast iron skillet, just in the oven. But it's a mix. You just add water, a little oil, and a couple eggs. I have my skillet here. We're just going to pour it in here and cook it in the oven. A little dry right there. I didn't mix it up good enough. But like I said, we have a fire going out there. We're going to cook some soup on the tripod over the fire. But this will cook at 350 for an hour. We'll probably check it a little bit before an hour expires. So there's that. We'll just slide this in here. Yummy. So yeah, we'll go check the fire. We'll get it all ready to go outside, and we'll see you back. Okay, we're ready to roll. The pumpkin bread in the house is smelling so good. But let's get this soup going. So what I want to do is I'm going to add a little liquid in. I'm using my 10-inch Dutch oven. So let's pour one of these in here.
What is it?
This is organic free-range chicken broth. We got it at Trader Joe's. Yeah, what a nice day. We've got the fire going right there. This is going to be fun. So here we go. We have some white onion and some carrot. Put that in there. Then we have about a cup and a half of lentils. Put that in. Yummy. Get all those in there. And then here we go. We have a cup of corn here. We'll put that in. Look at that. We're going to simmer this. I think it'll simmer for about 30 or 40 minutes, but it just depends on the fire. So here's some garlic. We'll put the garlic in right there. Yummy. And then some lemon juice. We juice this right in this juicer cup. Looked like a seed went in there, but that's okay. And then off that same lemon, here's some lemon zest. Get that going. And then we have all our spices. So we have like a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of curry, a little bit of this is saffron, and then a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt crystals, and then 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. This is gonna be good. Let's put all this in here. Like that. We'll give it a stir, and then I want to add just a little bit more broth. So we'll do that, and I'm going to put another half a container of broth in here. Let's stop right there. That feels pretty good. Give this a good stir. Like I said, this is the 10-inch Dutch oven, so we'll just put the lid on. And let's go hang it over the fire. And we'll just keep a nice gradual heat under that Dutch oven. We don't want it too hot, but we don't want a nice gradual heat over that. And like I said, it'll simmer for about 30 or 40 minutes. So let's check it in like 30 minutes. Okay, we got the soup going out on the fire. We came in the house and this bread is smelling so good. So we checked it and it's done. It's been cooking for just shy of 40 minutes. I set the timer for 60 minutes. And look, it has 22 minutes left. But let's take it out. So here, you got to make sure you have one of these handy skillet hot handle deals. But look at that. Yeah, so let's check it again. Here's the fork. But yeah, look at that. 40 minutes. But oh man, it smells so good. So there's the pumpkin bread, the The soup's out there cooking. Good time. We're going to check this. It's only been like 10 minutes, but I want to see how this is going. So let's... Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at those lentils. Oh, that smells so good. Yummy. So like I said, this will simmer for 30 or 40 minutes. It's been about 10, so that's hot. Ooh. Nothing better than cooking over an open fire. So we'll see you back. Okay, let's go. I think this soup is done. So let me grab the lid lifter here. It smells so good. Pull that lid off. Oh man, look at that. Look at that soup. Yummy. So I have a spoon right there to test it, but I'm gonna set it right there on the side table while I come over here and scoop some of this out. Look at that. Oh my heck. A little juice. There's the pumpkin bread. Oh man, that's delicious. Let me go set this down. We'll try this out. Let me set that right there. So this is lemon lentil soup. Yummy. This was fun cooking this pumpkin bread. Oh man, it smelled the whole house up like pumpkin. Yummy. Nothing better than cooking in the outdoors. And look at that bread. Just falls apart. Good times. So here you go. Delicious meal. We'll see you next time.